everyone. I'm Đỗ Phú from UTE team at Ho Chi Minh City at University and Education. So my team member have 5 people, and today have me here and Phong will be try this presentations. So let's start it. So the
viên hay gì mà
so
không giảng viên gì đó.
So let's go through overview. And as you can see, COVID-19 impact everyone in all over the world. So we want Ohmni robots will be applied into daily day and support the people to decrease impact of COVID-19. So receptionist is one of our target because it's at positions we must to contact with many people during one over a day. So the goal team established have 3 goals. The first thing, detection and remind people who not wearing mask. The second is a rule in Ohmni bot to introduce some information about workspace. Workspace I mentioned here is our university right now. So and the last one is automatic finding the way to checking dock when the battery is low, because Ohmni robot right now just auto dock by itself when they see the dock when when the bot can see the dock. So we did. This is the main feature we want to mention. So let's go to the first goal is payment detection. Our target model can run on board, detect wearing face mask or not when we using board or in specified range about 2-3 meter. And we warning if the we warning if detect someone not wearing face mask by speaker or send image to warning. So because we want to run on bot, so we use a TPU is a device plug-in to the pod to run model, and we use a return model on core library, because if we use open source, we must to have many steps and convert our quantizations to deploy the model on TPU. So we use the return it on core library to have deploy the model easier and save time for us. And the data set we use that we collect and on Kango about 3,000 masks and about 2,000 masks, and we have do some augmentation method like rotate or flip, and performance AP50 at equal 0.6, and speaking we imprint on the board about 30 fps frame per second. So the result, the model can work stably with within 1 or 2 meter, and with many various masks. But we isn't test in various environments, because we this is we cannot test on various environment. We don't have play, and our school wasn't allow us to. So yeah, and the second thing is standalone web as a GUI on Ohmni robot. So we have 4 main tabs. Home is a portrait. The information, introduce some information about our university. Travel, that's a map, and you can see it right here. You can click on the positions, and it will show you the information about that place. And the last section is the form we show the form we show the image if we detected people who wear mask or not. And the last thing in the main functions is our to doc. So we have three main work to develop this feature. The first thing, we need to control serial to switch between TV knock and TV control, because Omni robot, we have two ways to control it. The first is we can control by in-code mode. That's the people use website of OmniRod and control in there. And the second thing, we control by the rod and in Docker layer. So we need to define the switching to make it don't conflict. And the second thing, we need to apply SLAM and navigation method to control the robot. As you can see, you can see here is a flowchart of our program. It's basic like when you the first you start up and start on our process. Our program has two main process. One is deploy a famous decisions. If we object detected, we will send image capture to Botgo and warning by speaker. And the second process is run ROS to automatically control try by bot. First, they will go to working area and service at there. When why they service, they will check the battery if in low. So bot will be returned to home point the point we set before, and charging until full battery and go workplace again. So to do that, we need to we need to show what where is it on the map, and SLAM resolve this problem. SLAM have us create a map, and now begin of location when we start scan map. The point begin we set is a dot a home point. That's it. The point we go to AutoDock. We use SLAM method is hector SLAM because it don't need IMU to create map, and the map scan error can be accepted just a little. The second thing is a ROS navigation. This method help us plan a path towards goal locations, and we be able to adjust parameter for suitable tasks. This means we can adjust safe zone about this about some object in the way we can avoid to crash edit, so we can control robot to the safe point. And the result, basically, we complete the feature and virus and maybe native JS functions. Autodock, we can autodock any location on the map just with a specific range, because we don't have the place to test this, so we just updating the range. And this advantage, we just only tap on the small hours room, and have the actual map is divided here after a long operations time, and we have no detailed evaluations of this task. So consume of that. We have three feature, and the frame mask we have done work stable within 2 meter and run on CPU. The problem we have the performance decrease in a low light backlist and limited object detection of small objects. Um, and we can improve that by collect more data, apply some augmentation method, linear construct. We can change some model with have uh, better performance. And the second standalone web, we have basic information and map with instructions. The problem is missing image running no frame mask, and we can improve it by more useful information and this start and this complete. Finally, how to dock. We have run bot on hardware and create zero switch, check battery, can mode target point, and can compile to native GF functions. The problem the problem is we still cannot align the map when we develop it. Improvement, we can integrate IMU sensor into board and combine with encoder well to align map. It have us if it will be have Omni board so automatically correctly. So let's see our demo. Because we have don't play we don't have the place to demo, so I just demo on my backyard. The first dock in walk in dock and go to the workspace. I set to here. And if we don't wear mask, it will be warning to the user. Then if bought in low battery, they will go to the home set spawn and drop API. Now we simulate low battery by run a command by command. So yeah, that's on our presentation. Thanks for listening.